In this exercise we will add a part here at the end with a different material and make an analysis to see how these two will react when the force is added to them. So I will hide FEA, click here, then I come over here to add a cylinder, right drag a cylinder, drop it here in the center, drop its part, change the diameter to 20, and I will change the name here to aluminum, and this one will have the name steel, like so. Then I show FEA and I select the model here. We have to add a new material, so we click add new material down here, and I go here to select non-ferrous and aluminum. Then we have to update the bodies because we have added a cylinder, so I click update bodies, select the cylinder, accept it, so now there is a new body, and then I will also accept the material, like so. Now we have added a new material here in the tree. And next is to change the force. I will click force. Now it is added here to the block, so I click here in the scene to deselect. Then I click on this face to add the force to this part, to the aluminum cylinder. We see here it is selected here. Now I can click OK to accept it, and now we can sync because we have made some changes. Click yes, and then we can click auto solve. And it will look like this. So we see that it is a higher impact on the aluminum part because it is a softer material. So if I click animate scale now, we'll see that the impact is very high on the aluminum part. So if we go to contour setup and change to equivalent stress and click OK, we see that the stress is very high on the aluminum part and also where there are less material. So I change back to displacement magnitude. So the question is, when I animate the scale, can I save that animation? Well, if you click animate scale, here in this dialog box you can save the animation. I will pause the animation. So if I click save AVI, I will get this dialog box where I can save the file. It will be saved where the block is saved. You can also change the frame rate. Now it's set to 12. If you change it to 30, you will get a smoother animation. So, but I will click cancel here. And I will also remove the animation, like so. And then perhaps you want to save the analysis. To do that, you click this button here, Save FEA. If you save the scene, the analysis will not be saved. It will just save the scene. So if you want to save the analysis, you have to click this button. So I click here, Save FEA, click OK. Then I will also save the scene. Click yes, OK. But if you close the scene and you haven't saved the analysis, you will be asked if you want to save the analysis. So now, when I have saved the analysis and also the scene, I can close the scene. And as you can see, it is easy to make a FEA analysis in IronCAD because MultiPhysics is integrated into IronCAD. So this was a quick presentation on MultiPhysics in IronCAD.